Dr. Allen. I want to take a minute to talk to you about something that everyone's talking to you about. No, it's not Obamacare. What it's really about is finishing the year strong. I hear a lot of people saying that. Let's talk about finishing the year strong. If people are talking about finishing the year strong by loading the boat with as many patients and clients that you can get in the door, they're doing you a great injustice, because finishing the year strong is not only about bringing business in towards the end of the year, but it's all about your plan for marketing and what you plan to do with your business in the coming year. Smart businesses plan ahead. They just don't look to load up 1 month. So that's what you need to be doing right now. Right behind me, you'll see scrolling up are all the content articles we give all our system clients just for the past month. We do this every month for you, because the ability to have great content to show Google you're an authority is one of the most challenging things. So we give you all the content, but then you need to be doing video right now. You may not know this, but the #1 posts that are shared and opened and looked at on Facebook are video. The #1 things that are seen on the internet and the search engines are video. The things that people watch most are video. The second most popular search engine, but it happens to be also owned by Google, is YouTube. Again, all about video. So we teach all our clients how to do video, and that needs to be in your plan for the coming year. We're the only ones who do it, even though everybody shows you video when they're trying to market to you to get your business. We not only use video as I'm doing now, but we teach you how to use video, more importantly. #2, you must be using Google Live Hangouts. We also teach that in the system. Yesterday, Pat Gentempo held his second live Google Hangout for his Philosophy Summit. And guess what? He recognized the need for Google Plus Hangouts. All the people on the panel, Chris Zano, doctors from all over the world, Natalie Beauchamp, all using Google Hangouts now. We train that in our system. All using the VIP app. Yesterday's Philosophy Summit, as well as the first one, was broadcast in the VIP app.
Also, Dr. Alan Weinstein, I wanted to just mention that he shouted this thing on his VIP app, which is a very, very cool thing. So I wanted to say thank you to him.
You get a VIP app as a system client. The reason is we can stream live all your events inside, so your patients literally see you pop up on their desktop, iPhone, and iPad whenever you do a live event, so they don't miss it. We've talked about the 70-20-10 rule, that 70% of your patients need to come from your existing patients, 20% from community, 10% from the internet. So we give all the tools for you to do that. So think about planning your year to finish out this year strong, all about planning next year. And the best way to do that is a great marketing system. I'm Dr. Allen. If you don't have a marketing system, or you want to talk about a marketing system and all the tools and all the teachings that no one else gives you, give me a call. My number's right here, as well as my email address. I'm happy to set up a one-on-one, but realize, don't fall for the trap of finishing the year strong by loading 1 month. Finishing the year strong is making your business look forward to the coming year in a way that's going to make your future stronger. That's what I call finishing the year strong. This is Dr. Allen. I look forward to talking with you soon.